Hello, I would like to present the Knobprobe, and this is a probe for adjusting the Z height of different tools in a tool changer. First, we're gonna probe the knob probe like we would probe a bed with our Z tool, which in this case is an arm room switch that is mounted on a tool. And then we're gonna probe the first tool. We can probe it a couple of times. And here is the accuracy of the last 3 probes. Probing with another tool. And here are the results for this tool. And I'm gonna probe again with the first tool. Second tool. Results are here. And now to check if the probe has moved at all. We check with the arm probe. And it has moved 0.002 millimeters. And that's quite good. The doorknob probe is composed of a cabinet doorknob with an M4 screw hole at the bottom. A set stop screw M4 to the printed part. Around the printed part we have spring that is taken from TR8X anti-backlash nut. We have an LM8 UU bearing and another set screw M4 and a 10mm M4 threaded steel bar from Kossel. To make contact with the ball we have 3 M5 washers and 3 M5 screws. The cabling is 1 for ground and 2 for signal. The signal cables are connected to resistors, one each, and in this case I use 30k resistors because I use a Duet 3 mainboard, and it has to be higher resistance than the pull-up resistors. When both are connected to the ground like this, it only gives half the resistance and the connection is made, so it won't trigger. But if only one of the washers would lose connection, it triggers because the resistance is higher than the pull-up connector. Also, the main body can be made much smaller, like in this case, where it can be mounted permanently. The standard deviation of the door knob probe is quite good. Here we can see 100 iterations done by H2B on Discord on his printer, and we have the default end stop as an Omron probe. Everything is done in G-code, and the commands can be saved to macros like I've done here. I have divided them up in different parts so I can run them independently. And this is the actual doorknob and set screws I've used.